Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Tecno mobile setting. Today video title is how to remove Tecno mobile face lock. Friends, you don't want to use Tecno mobile face lock setting, you want to remove face lock. So friends, now let's see how to remove face lock in Tecno mobile. One by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, you don't want to use Tecno mobile face lock setting, you want to remove face lock in Tecno mobile. Unlock your phone. After unlock phone friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. Friends, in your Tecno mobile, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. So friends, in your Tecno mobile, scroll down here, open your device security setting. After turn on my phone security setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. So friends, in your Tecno mobile, open your phone face unlock setting, enter your device password to continue. You have pattern, so enter your device pattern to continue. Friends, I will enter my password. After enter password friends, next. Now friends, you can use your face lock setting. So friends, if you click here delete face option, your face lock will remove, your face lock will delete in your Tecno mobile. So friends, don't delete your face lock data. Click here unlock screen lock setting. Use face 4 setting guys, we will off. After turn off, use face 4 setting. Friends, if you turn off your lock screen and when you will on your screen, face lock will not show on your lock screen, face lock will remove. You have your face lock data, but friends, you cannot use face lock, you cannot unlock Tecno mobile with face lock. You can unlock your Tecno mobile with your password. Again open your phone setting friends. Open your phone face lock setting, enter your face lock password. After enter password friends, again click here use face 4 setting, unlock screen lock setting. So friends, you can check your face lock will show on your lock screen. You can unlock your Tecno mobile with face lock. And you want to remove face lock permanently, you don't want to use, open your phone setting. After done phone setting friends, open your device security setting, open your phone face unlock setting, enter your password, delete option, right click here, face lock will remove. After remove face lock, you cannot use. Again you want to use, you will have to show face, then you can start face lock in your Tecno mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.